students, so yesterday in class we completed this textbook problem as a class, and I told you I would teach you a different way to complete it instead of making a number line. So let's go ahead and refresh our memory on what the problem was about. It looks like it is about cheesy macaroni and cheese, and it talks about 15% of the recommended daily amount of saturated fat that a person should eat. And they say that one serving of the cheesy mac is 3 grams, which is equal to that 15%. So that is all the information the problem gave us, but that is the most important piece, that 3 grams is equal to 15% of your daily intake. The only other piece of information you need is that the total amount of your daily intake would be 100%, because that would be all the saturated fat you want to eat. But the problem is, we don't know what that number is. So all you have to do is, as you can see, I've been writing down some important information as we're going. I put the 3 grams was equal to the 15%, and I put 100% over here with the 15% to say that this was the part of saturated fat out of all the saturated fat. So now all I need to do is find this missing piece here. And when we were talking yesterday, you informed me that if I just divide 15 by 5, that gets me 3. And we know that equivalent fractions, you just do the same in the top and the bottom. So when I divide 100 by 5, I know that this number here should really be 20 grams. So honestly, you don't have to set up that huge number line. All you have to do is set up your equivalent fractions. Let's use that same strategy to solve the second problem you were assigned in class. This one now talks about a granola bar. So this granola bar has 4 grams of dietary fiber, and that is equal to 16% of your recommended daily intake. So if I write that down here, 4 grams is equal to 16%, and we know that this is supposed to be out of a total of 100%, we once again can see that this is the missing piece we need right here. What's the total amount of grams? So using the same logic that we did last time, I just set up my equal fractions with my 4 grams being equal to 16%, which is what the problem told us, and then putting my 16% out of the total 100%. Now I just need to find what this total will be. So using our equivalent fractions, I know that 16 divided by 4 gets me 4, which means 100 divided by 4 gets me 25 grams. So I know that my total amount of dietary fiber I need is 25 grams.